Assalamu alaikum, I'm Naveed from Naveed Games. PS5 Pro 30th Anniversary Edition now available with us at Naveed Games. Keeping in mind, these are 12,300 units manufactured by Sony in the whole world, and we are having it exclusively in Pakistan. So let's unbox it. So number one, we have a beautiful poster by Sony, PlayStation 30th Anniversary Edition. We have all the different console printing here. On the other side, wow, we are having a PlayStation 30th Anniversary poster. Keeping in mind these consoles are for collectors. So, thank you. We have unboxed the PS5 Pro 30th Anniversary Edition. Let me show you quickly what's in the box. So number one, we are having a charging station, a beautiful charging station with a gray color theme with a colorful logo of PlayStation. All right, we are having the controller, standard controller. Okay, we are having a disc plate in case you want to install a disc drive to your PlayStation. We are having a vertical stand. Okay, come here. We are having Edge controller, PlayStation 5 30th Anniversary Edge controller, along with all the attachments with a beautiful, let me show you, with a beautiful zip cover of colorful logo of PlayStation with the Edge controller. Okay, then we have a cable clip, we have cable ties, we have PlayStation logo stickers, colorful PlayStation logo sticker, another sticker, cable tie, and the beautiful console itself with a colorful logo of PlayStation. PS5 Pro 30th Anniversary Edition, exclusively now available with us at Naveed Games Peshawar. चेक कर सकते हैं इसका सीरियल नंबर, टच करेंगे। 30th Anniversary Edition, 12,300 units have been manufactured in the whole world. So this was the unboxing of PS5 Pro 30th Anniversary Edition, coming with two controllers, standard one, Edge one, charging station, many things and so many details in this beautiful console. So it is now available with us at Naveed Games Peshawar. Allah bless you all. I hope you like the video. Stay blessed. Thank you.